Hello friends, how are you? This is Freelancer Tufayel Alom. I am a digital marketer and today I will show you how to add an admin on your Twitter account, and secondly I will show you how to approve it as an admin. So let's start the video. First of all, go Google and search here Twitter desk and enter and go this first website tweetdeck.twitter.com and click this main icon, click this manage team, and you can see a box here. Put your admin username. I have a username, paste here, and you can see the admin username. Click here and click the authorize. Okay, and you have selected the admin on your Twitter account. So you have finished your work. Now there are second steps to approve it from admin side, and I will show you now how to approve it as an admin. Okay, so for this reason I have another account. So this is my another account and I will approve it. So need to go Twitter desk, click the first website, and you can see a notification. Click main icon and you can see team invitations. You can see team invitations. Click on this and you can see freelancer Tufayel Alom sent you an invitation to join as the admin for his Twitter account. So if you are interested, just accept it. Now you can see you are an admin for this Twitter account. If you want, then you can leave here. Now you can see all management page here. You can post here right now. You can see a box. You can write here title. You can select image or videos. You can create schedule post here according to your date. You can select an image here if you want to tweet with the image, and you can send direct message from here. So you can control your Twitter account from here. If you suffer any problem, just comment down below. I will help you as soon as possible. I hope this video will help you to make an admin for your Twitter account. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will watch my second video. So thank you so much.